Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 as well as Windows 10 not detecting headphone when plugged in. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all going to your settings of your Windows. Go to your troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters and run the playing audio and close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type of services, open services. After doing this step, find out a Windows audio. Make sure that is selected automatic.